Racket sports demand explosive sprints, sudden stops, and relentless repetitive strain, match after match. But what if the best recovery tool was for your mind? A cold plunge can spike your dopamine by 250%. That's the kind of focus and mood elevation that wins tiebreakers and keeps you mentally tough under pressure. And on the other end of the spectrum, intense heat offers a completely different yet equally powerful set of advantages. We will break down the science of cold for rapid repair, the power of heat for building resilience, and how to combine them. You've just finished a grueling 3-set match. Your muscles are screaming. How does cold water stop tomorrow's pain? First, it directly combats delayed onset muscle soreness. Studies show cold water immersion significantly lowers soreness by blunting inflammation. On a cellular level, it lowers markers of muscle damage like creatine kinase. This means less muscle breakdown, letting you return to the court faster. But the real mechanism is the vascular pump. In cold water, your blood vessels constrict, pushing blood from your limbs toward your core. Then, when you get out and start to rewarm, your vessels dilate. This creates a powerful whoosh effect through your system. This pumping action flushes out metabolic waste and floods your muscles with fresh, oxygen-rich blood, kickstarting the repair process immediately. Immediate repair is one thing, but what if recovery was also about building long-term resilience? This is where heat therapy enters. Regular sauna use isn't just relaxing. It's a powerful workout for your heart. Frequent users show up to a 40% lower risk of all-cause mortality. Here's why. Heat stress increases your plasma volume by about 7%. More plasma means more blood to deliver oxygen to your muscles for greater endurance. This process also triggers heat acclimation, making your body more efficient at cooling itself. This can improve endurance performance by up to 32%. Also, the heat stress from a sauna can significantly boost growth hormone levels. This hormone is vital for repairing damaged tissues and building stronger tendons. Finally, heat reduces muscle tightness and improves flexibility. For the rotational movements of any racket sport, a greater range of motion is a huge advantage. Okay, that is a lot of science. Let's translate this to the court. How do these benefits actually look and feel during a game? Think about your serving shoulder. Saunas improve joint fluid while cold plunges reduce acute inflammation. Together, they protect your most vulnerable joints. Now consider the explosive lunges and lateral movements. Cold plunges reduce swelling and stiffness in your knees and ankles, keeping you agile for the next point. Remember that 250% dopamine spike we mentioned? That is the mental clarity that helps you stay calm on a crucial breakpoint, unfazed by pressure. And that 7% increase in plasma volume from the sauna? That's you, still looking fresh and powerful in the final set, while your opponent is starting to fade. This all sounds great. But there's a catch. Using these tools at the wrong time can hurt your progress. So, can you do this wrong? Absolutely. The most critical mistake involves cold plunges after strength training. While cold is great for reducing inflammation, some inflammation is a necessary signal for muscle growth. Plunging into cold water immediately after a gym session can suppress these anabolic signals. You're short-circuiting the adaptations you just worked so hard to stimulate. The solution is timing. Reserve cold plunges for after a match or skill session. After strength work, wait at least 2 to 4 hours before any cold exposure. So we have cold for immediate repair and heat for long-term adaptation. We know the risks. Now, how do we combine them for the ultimate recovery protocol? This is called contrast therapy, and it may be the most effective strategy of all. By alternating between the sauna and the cold plunge, you create a powerful synergy. Recall the vascular pump from the cold plunge? Contrast therapy puts that on steroids, creating an incredibly efficient pump to flush waste and deliver nutrients. A common and effective protocol is simple. 10 minutes in the sauna, followed immediately by 1 minute in a cold plunge. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. This combination is perfectly suited for racket sports because the sport demands both things at once: rapid, next-day recovery, and long-term joint resilience. So, the takeaway is clear. Use the cold plunge for rapid recovery, reduce soreness, joint relief, and a powerful mental edge after your matches. Use the sauna to build deep, systemic resilience, boost your endurance, protect your joints, and accelerate tissue repair on your training days. These are not just wellness trends. They are targeted, scientifically backed tools that address the specific demands your sport places on your body and mind. Integrate them intelligently, listen to your body, and achieve a new level of performance and longevity in the sport you love.